Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Binwa, and today I am here with a chit chat. Not to get ready with me, but just a chit chat. I just want to talk to you guys. So today I want to talk to you guys about why I stopped being a makeup artist. Yes, I am no longer a makeup artist in Lagos, Nigeria. I quit the job. I handed in my resignation letter and I walked out and I did not look back. I did not look back, and yeah, I'm just here to share my story. Before we get into the details, if you have not subscribed to my channel, excuse me, sister. Excuse me, please. Hello, are you there? Why have you not subscribed to my channel? Why? Please guys, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up at the end, or you can give it a thumbs up like I say at the beginning. You know, if you just like my face and the way I'm looking, just give me a thumbs up. Just like, fine girl, how are you? And do not forget to comment what you'd like me to do or talk about next on my channel. I plan to do more chit chat, get ready with me. Oh, I got that. Chit chat, get ready with me. I plan to do more, not just boring makeup, just talk and do the makeup, because I like to talk, but I never know what to talk about. Let's jump right into this video. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, I wrote down some points on my receipt. So there are two parts to why I stopped being a makeup artist. Firstly, makeup artistry in Nigeria is a different ball game. Maybe when I relocate to the UK, maybe I will start again, which I doubt. But you see, in this country, I'm not doing it again. I'm not doing it again. I'm not going to, no, I'm not doing it, because clients here will frustrate you to the extent that you start asking yourself, is it that you don't know your work? Is it that, I don't know how to explain it. They just know how to frustrate you, and I'm going to go into details. So first of all, Lagos clients don't know how to keep to time, and it stresses you. You book a client for, let's say 8 a.m. Then you book another one for, let's say 12 p.m. 4 hours. You get 4 hours because you have foreseen that client is going to be late. Whoa! Lagos clients will still come late. You get 4 hours. In 4 hours, you will not be done. So they always come late, and when they come late, it stresses you out, because they then push back every other appointment, and then you have other people insulting you or calling you out or saying you are late or saying you've ruined their lives, or you know, so many things, and it was just not for me. I can't keep up. Like, I'm small. I don't weigh up to 60. Then someone wants to come and suck the remaining blood I have in me. Please. I was just like, nope, no. No matter how I try to beg. And then when you're talking to them and you're like, oh, please, you're not on time, oh, please come on, you know, you're running late, they start to talk to you like, oh, if you don't want to do makeup, go. I've had someone tell me, if you don't want to do makeup, go. I went. Best believe, I don't know where she went to do her makeup, but I did not answer her. When she called me, I told her, I'm on to my next client. You will not have me sitting down, wasting time, precious time. You know, I've had clients backlog to the extent that my fiance, or when we're dating, we had a date and I couldn't meet up because my clients refused to keep to time. And if you get up and you say you don't want to, you know, do their makeup anymore, they're like, oh, you disappoint, you are not what's the word? They just start saying a lot of trash, and I wasn't just about that life. I just wasn't. Next, we have clients that want to collect the brush from you. I know we have this one in the world. I think my personality, I'm not that patient. Maybe that's why. Some people want to collect the brush and do the makeup. There was a particular client, yeah. I gave her the brush. I said, put it where you want it. Put the eyeshadow where you want it. If you don't put it, I'm trying my best to give you what I can. You came to my page. You saw what I could do. When I get tea, you want me to use black pencil for eyebrow. Me. And my body starts to boil. And you're not that dark skin. You're almost like my color, and you want black eyebrows. These are the things I could do. Can you see how perplexed I am talking about it? It was just a lot. And then lots of clients have attitudes. Like when you get to their house, they kind of look down on you, like you're a makeup artist. When they see makeup artists when you come, they already just, no matter how you dress or how you look, it hardly happens to me, but with some people it happens to me. You know, they look down on you because you're a makeup artist. It's like, some of us can feed those people. But you know, the fact that they are coming into your, Nigerians have this thing, they're coming, they're paying you, they just, Sometimes you get to some people's houses and they've not even showered. There's a home call and they've not showered. Then you get there and they tell you, oh, sorry, I have to shower. I'm not that patient. I'm just not that patient. Especially when the money you're paying me, my brain, is not correlating with the attitude or character you're emulating. Fam. And then sometimes my attitude boosts. I really try. I'm a very friendly person. Just because you're a makeup artist, they think you're supposed to buckle their shoes, comb their hair, style their hair. They expect a lot from you just because you're a makeup artist. Can't you take pictures? Help me style my hair or do baby hair. Did I tell you that I came to this life to do baby hair? See the one I did on my head. Look at where it came to. Then you're telling me to do your own for you. How? And like you come then tell you, can you help me straighten my hair? Can you help me pack my hair? Can you help me comb my hair? Can you help me do baby hair? Can you help me lay my wig? Can you help me lay my edges? You could have just told me to make the wig from scratch. Let me know that you are going to pay me for everything, because it doesn't make sense, you know. And Nigerians do not just have that character of this is someone and this is their job. This is what they do for a living. This is the same way you go to work. I might make more money than you make in a month. So I don't see why you have to look down on me when I get into your house or you come into my studio. Next, price rates. Oh my God. So how much do you get your makeup done? Oh, it's 15,000 naira at the studio. 15,000 naira? Why not do it 10,000 naira? I feel like, let me tell you what I feel like saying. If you know where they're going to get your makeup done for 10,000 naira, why don't you go there? I'm not in the market. Neither am I at a bargain center. We're not at a, it's not an auction. There's no auction going on here. You understand? If I could auction, I would pick my client. Yes, I will pick my client. I will say, no, I don't want you. I want you. I don't want you. I want you. And the next thing they start, just foundation. Okay, what if I don't do lashes? What if I don't do brows? What if you don't do brows? If you like, come into my shop, sit down and tell me to only match your foundation shade. I will charge you 15,000 naira. So they come and they show me maybe a picture of Beyonce or Rihanna or Kim K. Now, it's one thing for you to say, I want this type of eyeshadow Kim Kardashian is wearing. Fine, we can recreate it. But no. They come in saying they want to look like her. Do I look like her? With all the makeup. I cannot look like her. Neither can you. You can't look like her either. Imagine having my nose and telling me you want me to contour your nose to filth. What filth, please? You can't come and be asking for things and then you like I'm supposed to perform magic or what? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. And I'm writing like this because these were things that actually frustrated me. Like how am I supposed to make you look like Kim Kardashian? In what world? Do I look like Jesus? I'm so confused. It gets me very confused. And then I go straight to the point sometimes. When I start getting fed up of the makeup, when they come to me, before I start, I tell you, I cannot make you look like this, but I can do most of what is on her face. I say it because I do not want anybody to get disappointed at the end of the day. I'm not a magician. If you want a magician, maybe you check eBay or Amazon. But I'm not, it's not here. Moving on. There's a particular kind of makeup I like. My makeup is always very subtle, very light. I can go full ham, full beat. Like I can give you your full glam, but to an extent. You see my hand. That is what my hand can do. There's a makeup artist you have in Lagos, Beyonce. Her makeup is very nice, loud, eyeliner, and everything. If you knew that that was what you wanted, why didn't you go to her? Why are you in my studio? Because I know for a fact you went through my page and you saw a similar pattern of makeup, but you decided to come and sit in my chair and tell me you want cat eye. Where now? How? Did you see cat eye on my page? Did you see double winged liner? Did you see it there? So why are you coming to ask for why are you coming to ask for it? Because I don't understand. Have you seen me with double winged eyeliner? Did you see anybody on my page with double winged eyeliner or neon eyeshadow? I don't even have it in my kit, so I don't understand how you want me to do it for you. I don't. You see, there's some people that do only bridal makeup. There's some people that do only editorial makeup. You see me, I'm only soft glam makeup. I cannot do more. I just can't. I can't. It's not just me. It won't go well. It won't end in peace. That's what I'm saying. We're going to fight. And I don't want to fight. I don't know how to fight. I'm a size 6. You will break my bones. You're crack every part of me, and I don't want to fight. The highest I'll just give you your money, and that's my time wasted. So please, I'm even speaking on behalf of other artists out there. When you go through their page and you see a particular type of makeup, if you know that you do not want that, it's not just to say, okay, I don't want it in brown. Can you make it a bit smoky, a bit? Not when you come and tell me, you can see that you didn't see that on my page, and you see that my makeup is not heavy, and you get to me and you're asking me for all these things. My hand, naturally, is not built to do that. I'll basically just start packing product on your face. Like, and trying to give you that makeup that you want, and next thing you're going to go look like a gagu. And I'm not going to snap your picture and put on my page because that's not my work. It's not God that did it. I'm not the one that did that makeup. I don't know who did it. It's not me. I'm not the one. There were just so many things, and I'm not saying I'm not patient enough, but it wasn't just for me. I'm an extremist, exactly. When I'm happy, I'm very happy, I'm very playful. You can never bring my spirit down. But when I decide to switch, when I decide to switch my character, it shows through my face. That what always says, babe, your face, you can't hide. If you're angry at someone, just go. Or if you're feeling disgust, my feelings, you can see my feelings from my face. I cannot hide it. Do you get? I start getting irritated at whatever I'm doing there. And I don't want to pour that kind of energy on that client. Do you understand? So I was faking it a lot, but I just couldn't take it anymore. These are the things I couldn't take. It was just a lot. It wasn't just for me. It did not work for me. It did not work for me. Now I love makeup. I love, when I tell you I love makeup, let me tell you guys a quick story for you guys to understand my love for makeup. When I was doing my master's, I did my master's at Coventry University. I was in the UK, in Coventry, West Midlands, that's what it is. So my fiance now used to live in Birmingham. So I went to see him, and I told my friends to call me when they get to this train station because we're going wedding gown shopping for another friend. And they got there, and my phone was switched off. I had gone to the train station. I left so that I could just meet them there, but then the phone died. So they called him. They called me like, oh, my phone is switched off and they can't find me. And he goes, I've left. They should try or maybe look around the train station for me. And then my friend Joa just goes. She tells the other girl, I know where Ugo is. She was like, I know where Ugo is. And they walk straight to Boots, makeup section, and they find me there. They didn't need to look too much. She just said, I know where Ugo is. They found me. They caught it on video. I was literally squatting, packing makeup that I knew I was not going to buy. I was just packing a lot of things I knew I was going to buy. But I'm so attracted to makeup. I started my makeup journey when I was doing my master's. I got bored of reading books. I've always liked fashion. I'm not your greatest fashionista, but I like fashion. I love it. I love fashion. I might not show it a lot, but I love it. I love when girls dress classy. I love clothes. I just love fashion. Another thing else I like doing is buying and selling. I'm an Igbo woman. In Nigeria, I'm an Igbo woman. We have Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa. And Igbo people are known for business. My father was a businessman. I love business. I'm not good at math. I can't really, But you see, when it comes to buying and selling, I like it. I enjoy it. I just like it. I like creating stuff for people to buy, and I just love it. At this part, you understand why I wasn't just patient with the whole makeup artistry stuff. So after masters, I came back and I decided to be a YouTuber. The dream for me has always been to own my own store where I sell both makeup and clothing. It was like, I want to own a store like Topshop. I want to own a store like Primark. That's what I want. That was the dream for me, not makeup artistry. So I came back and I started doing YouTube, and it was a bit slow because I think YouTube is quite popular in Nigeria now, but it was a bit slow. I was doing YouTube and I wasn't making money. It was taking forever to get to where you make money, or, because I was if you check back then, I was putting out more content. A lot of content, but it wasn't just bringing in money, and I needed to work because I just came back from master, and my dad was looking at me like, you said you want to do this YouTube. I thought as you are doing it, there's a monthly salary or something. He didn't understand the whole AdSense thing and whatnot. So I was trying to explain to him, and then my friends around me and my fiance also, it was like, oh, Ugo, you actually know how to do makeup. I had my friend back then, Flawless Faces by Jane. I don't know if you guys know her. She was like, you know how to actually do makeup on people's faces, and YouTube is not going to pay you right now. Why not start your dream from somewhere? why not start as being a makeup artist? It will pay, at least to pay immediately. Do you understand? So I was like, okay. I was very, very adamant. I didn't want to do it. And my boyfriend decided that he was going to buy me all the makeup I needed. He was going to buy me everything I needed to start makeup artistry. That I should give it a go. And he's going to buy me foundation. Jane took me shopping. And if I don't like it, I can, move on to whatever it is I want to do. We can look into something else. Because I couldn't just start business like that. I didn't have the capital. So the plan was to use makeup to raise my capital. That's how I got into makeup artistry. And for 2 years, I forgot my goals. So one day I went for a makeup fair, and my sister then reminded me that you were supposed to start your own brand and you were supposed to do so many things. What happened? And I was just looking because truly I had forgotten. And I went to the makeup fair to represent another brand. If you see me selling, I can talk to 200 people in a day. When I launched my product, I got there by 8. I was talking till 6, and I did not realize that I had not eaten out. I just had water, and I was selling my color burst eyeliners, And that day, my sister was like, "This is meant for you. You see, this business is for you. Take it." Makeup is quite straightforward. You want this formula, you create that formula. For 3 to 6 months, you're working on that formula. Then there's production time, So you work and you stop, then you sell. There's a balance to it. With fashion, it's a totally different ball game. Every day, there is a new style coming out. Trust me, you can't keep up. You are constantly searching for clothes. If you're not searching, you're making the clothes. I was running mad. I was moving crazy. I'm my own marketer. I post my social media myself. Sometimes I even forget my social media and then remember, oh my God, I've not posted today. There was a lot of things going on with me, And when I had a full day of jobs, I would forget that I have social media to post and market. Now, bear in mind, I was enjoying this part. This was my dream. I didn't feel too stressed. But when I had to do the makeup, I felt like, hey, somebody kill me now. And one day, I was just like, no, I'm not doing this. I genuinely do not enjoy making people up. I like doing it for fun. I love to film YouTube videos. I love to do makeup on my face. That is what I fell in love with. It got to a point every day I do clients' faces. They are really happy. They're happy. They're excited. They're like, oh my God, I look so good. But I was genuinely not happy with what I saw on their face because I just wasn't interested anymore, I wasn't really interested in what I was doing. I wanted to just do your makeup for you to get off my seat, just go. Let me just do makeup. So I wasn't like, oh, I want to do one technique. It got to a point, you say you want black eyebrow. I draw the black eyebrow for you. You tell me you want blue lips, I put blue lips. Even if it doesn't go with your red eyes, I'll put it. I was just tired, and I was just like, it's time to just stop this and focus on the thing that matters, which is my business for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, please, guys, let us stay safe. Do not forget to stay indoors, practice social distancing, wash your hands, use your hand sanitizer, but stay inside. If you guys would like to support my business, I have links down below to take you to Binwa Beauty, which is the makeup aspect of the Binwa brand, and Binwa Fashion, which is where you get beautiful clothes. And I recently just launched a brow pencil. I am wearing the shade True Brown. These are my babies right now. Can you see these babies? Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. See you on my next one. Mwah.